Hey guys, back with another video for my addictive blogging channel, and I have the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 and you can launch any app with the help of a gesture right now in this watch. You just need to tap on the left side of the watch and draw the gesture of the app which you want to launch. So I want to launch Spotify, and here it goes. The Spotify is launched here. Hey guys, back with another video for my addictive blogging channel, and now you can control the entire Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 with the help of the gestures, including launching apps and other timer actions you can perform in this watch. You don't need to go to the menu of the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 and scroll down to launch app. You can do that with just a tap and drawing the gestures. So you just need to tap on the correct place and just draw the gesture. For recent tabs you can draw R and the recent tabs will be opened. So this is a very nifty feature, and in this video I will be discussing how you can get the feature to launch apps via gestures in the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. So as always, this video will be a sick video guys, and if you are taken to say, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. So first of all, you need to go to the Play Store and download one app. So in the Play Store you need to search for gesture. So if you search for gesture in the Play Store, you will get this app, Wear Gesture Launcher, Wear Launcher. So this is the app which you need to install. So once installed, you need to open the app and give some permissions, including the overlay permission which is required for this app to work. And after that you just can go to the add a gesture feature and add the gesture to launch app or launch some timer action. So in the launch app option, you can select the app which you want to launch. I have selected the apps like Spotify and recent apps which I use the most. You can also choose any of the apps in here and add a gesture to it. So if I just want to know the weather, I can tap on weather and just give a gesture here, and it will ask me to confirm the gesture. I need to confirm the gesture once, and that's all. You just need to go to the home screen, tap on the left, and now you can just draw the gesture and the weather will be open. It's that easy. And also you can do some of the modifications in the app, like you can control the place where you want to tap. So in the settings you will see that in the quick launcher location you can select the place where you want to tap to launch the gesture, and also you can modify the place of the tap. You can select a wider width hotspot which will help you to easily go into the gesture and draw the gesture to launch the app. And also you can do some of the timer actions. So in the timer actions you will be seeing that you can add alarm, you can open timer, you can open stopwatch. These are the most used features I think in a stopwatch, and you can just add them with the help of gestures now. So as I have said, we are going to the world where we will be interacting with the smart devices with our voice and gestures, because the time between us to interact with these devices should be decreased, because the less the time we need to interact with these devices, the more we will be spending the time on these devices. That's why all these are coming up, and gesture is no difference. So on the outside it is really helping us to launch apps fast. On the inside it is just making us more addicted to these devices, including the smartphones and smartwatches. Yes, that's it guys. I think you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. So thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.